Tires have a tendency to wear unevenly. Rotating your tires regularly helps you maintain balanced handling, stable traction during bad weather, and results in even tire wear, prolonging the life of your tires. Our experienced, factory-trained and certified technicians will adjust tire locations per manufacturer's specifications and adjust air pressure according to your vehicle and tire specifications. We can even perform a thorough brake inspection while your tires are off. Save yourself the unnecessary cost of replacing your tires more often with regularly scheduled tire rotations. Trust us to keep you moving. Schedule an appointment today.